have a new guest for today. I got her, and on the other videos, she might have, I think she's on the restaurant one, but I don't really know. I forgot. And on my other LPSs, I forgot to show her. So, here's our new guest. He's a cute little bird. Bow on top. Say hi to my peeps. Well, what should I call you? On my other video, I didn't. Look at it. Making videos on the same day, so let's check her out. She's really, really cute. She has yellow eyes and purple fur and a cute little bow. It's like a greenish bluish. Really, really, really cute. Like her. And these are my cute little crowns. This is from like a bigger cat. And this is a really, really cute one. I like it, but it's not for LSPs. It's not for LSPs. It's LPS. It's not for LSPs. It's not for LPSs. It's for Barbies, but I just like to put it on her. She looks really cute in it. I like it. But it doesn't stay really. It just goes down like that. I like it. And the background for my videos, so like when I talk to you, it's really a box. Let me open that. I painted it. It's like a paintable one. I just have junk in here, really. Here's like a ring and all that. So that's like stage. Kind of. Paint. So. On the video it looks green. It is really blue. Just saying. And here's not an LPS, but she looks really cute. I actually did makeup on her. So, I've got my chair, my beauty chair. Ta-da! Shelby's on a crown. And the queen. I just like making really cute videos. And I want to make like a draw my life video. I really do, but it'd be a lot of work. So I just want to tell you about my life, really. I grew up, and that's really all. I grew up. Most people do. And I like LPSs. LSP. No, wait. LPS. Yes, it's LPS. Dummy. Stand up sometimes. It has a little silk thing on it. So, he's going bye-bye. 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 And I really like reading people's comments, so if you want, you can leave a comment below and tell me what to do next. So, as on my one video, I said, I guess I'm just going to call you JDs, but I'm going to check the comments and see if I should call you what you want. So leave a comment for that one. And just in case if you didn't get that one, or if you can't find it or something, then you can leave a comment right here. Tell me what you want me to call you. So bye! Bye, JDs, for right now.